Okay, do you guys remember yesterday when we talked about those 3 strategies that helped you solve addition fact or subtracting facts in your head?
Yeah.
There was decompose, using addition fact to help you, and subtraction compensation. Remember those?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do some more subtraction problems up here. And as soon as you have an answer, thumb up. Be thinking of which strategy, what the name of your strategy is. And if you think of one way, remember to keep thinking. Try to think of another way you could solve it too. Alright, Kaden, what was your first way that you solved?
If I know that 8 is more than 7, then I know that it won't be like 10. I think it's 9 because it's in the end.
So you knew that it equaled 9 because you knew that 8 plus 9 equals what? 17. What's the name of that strategy you used? In your doubles, you used an addition fact to help you, right? Diego, can you repeat which strategy Kaden used?
Near doubles.
Near doubles, which was what kind of problem did he use to help him solve that?
8 plus 9 equals 17.
Yeah, so if he knew that 8 plus 9 equals 17, he knew that 17 take away 8 would equal 9. See that? Thumb up if you had a different strategy that you use. Michaela, what strategy did you use? What was the name of it?
Decomposing.
Okay. What did you do?
I broke the 8 to 7 and
You guys agree? Disagree?
I did 17 minus 7 equals 10.
Okay, 10 take away 1 equals 9. So she used all of her numbers. She started with her 17 here. She used her 7 because that was to help her get to a friendly number, because she knew that 7 take away 7 would lead her to 10. And then she only had her 1 left, so 10 take away 1 was 9. There's one more way. Thumb up if you used that last way. Thumb up. Natalie. Okay, and what did those equal? Equals 9. Do you guys agree or disagree? Good. Lots of agrees. So that one was subtraction compensation. Good. Okay, put another one up here. Thumbs up when you have a way. Remember to be thinking of which strategy you use. What's it called? Braylon, which strategy did you use?
I used
Decomposing? Okay.
I found my 9 in the 3 and 6. And then I knew 10 minus 6 equals 10.
So you got your 10 from here? Okay, so you use that 10 minus 6 equals what?
10 minus 6. 10, no, wait, I meant 16 minus 6.
Equaled what?
16 minus 6 equals 10.
Equals 10. You guys agree? Disagree? Good. Okay.
And then minus 3 will equal 7.
And where'd you get your 3?
From right there.
From here. So then he had his 10 minus 3 equaled 7. guys agree or disagree? Great, lots of agrees. So that was our decompose strategy. Thumbs up if you had a different strategy that you used. Darian, what did you do?
I plus 1 to the 9.
Do you know the name of this strategy?
Yes.
What is it?
Subtracting compensation.
Great. And then what?
Then I added 1 to the 16. Get 17. And then that one was 10. And I knew 17 minus 10 equals 7.
You guys agree or disagree? Awesome, great. One more. Thumb up if you use that last strategy. Very many people. Kaden, did you use it? Maybe. Do you remember what it is? Does anyone else remember that could share?
I got a different one.
Was it our last strategy? Thumb up if you know the name of our last strategy. What's our last strategy called? Think about what we talked about yesterday. You remember?
Yes.
What is it?
Near double.
Yeah, or an addition fact to help you, right? Okay, so what did you do? Solve this using that.
I know 6 is really close and I'm just 3 away.
Okay.
Why did it?
You did a different way?
10 minus 9 equals 1 and 6 plus 1.
Okay. If we're using an addition fact to help us, we remember that we add these two to equal the bigger number. So what would it be? What would our equation be, Kaden? 16. Because if you know that 9 plus 7 equals 16, then you would know that if you had 16 and took away 9, it would equal 7 also. Good. Okay. We'll do one more equation. Thumbs up when you know. Remember to keep thinking for another strategy. Don't let your brain stop thinking. Diego, try to use a strategy in your head. Kaylee, how did you solve this? Started at 18 and took away your 8. And what did that equal? 10. Subtracted that last one and it equaled 9. Great. You guys agree, disagree with that? Good, lots of agrees. Did anyone else solve it in a different way? Brian, how did you solve this? Took away 1 from the 18? You guys agree, disagree with that? She took 1 from the 18 and gave it to the 9. Natalie, how come you disagree? Right, so what you do to one, you do to the other, right?
Yeah.
So if we're doing that, then what would this equal? What would these equal, Bryn? What would 18 plus 1 equal? 19. And what would 9 plus 1 equal? 10. That would equal 9. Thumb up if you can tell Bryn which strategy she used. Darian, what strategy did she use?
Subtracting compensation.
Great. Subtraction compensation. Okay, it's time for lunch. So.
I have